Dum da dum dum.
Hey guys, Sean here. So this video is for the Fury rocket launcher owners, or Nova N8. If you have OCD like me, one of the things that really bugged me about this barrel latching system is when it's in its lock position. Obviously I don't have the valve chamber on here. It has quite a bit of play side to side. See if we can pick it up here. You can hear it. It doesn't look as obvious on video. When the air chamber is on here, you can really see the offset. Oh, maybe you can see it better here now. How this moves. Now, that really bothers me. Easy fix. This is your little latch here. It has an Allen head, an 832 by 1/2 inch stainless steel Allen bolt in it. So I got to looking. And when this is latched, you can see that is that Allen bolt in your latch right here. So I thought to myself, if that head protruded more into this sort of M-LOX type slot here, it would actually locate the barrel much better. Well, there's a good example of it. Weebles wobbles. So, easy fix. Remove this. Well, probably easier to do it this way. Now, I'll take this right out. Just remove the Allen bolt and the latch will come with it. Probably do it through here better. Yeah, there we go. I got ball nose Allen key here, so this makes this angle possible. You want to take note of the angle. So this has kind of a V shape. When you reinstall this, there's your Allen bolt. You want the thin end to the front. V to the front. And then the fat end to the air chamber. So what I did is I got an 832 by 5/8 long Allen head. You can see there. It's much longer. But the problem is if I just put this in, obviously it bottoms out and then it doesn't retain this latch properly. So I experimented with some washers and I was happy with what I got. So I went out and just bought some of these aluminum bushings. In this case, I'm thinking washers probably would have been the simplest thing, but I like to do things, more on a professional level. So these are M4 by 8mm outside diameter with an M4 inside and a 3mm height. And you can see here, it fits right inside there. Now, if I reinstalled the 1/2 inch one, not enough threads. There is the 5/8 through there, which is pretty much exactly the same thread depth that 1/2 inch had without the spacer. So I'm just going to reinstall it. Remember, skinny end to the front, fat end to the back. Now you can see it is actually protruding into this M-LOK cutout here. And if I try to offset the barrel, it will not. Excellent.